Hey guys, this is no inverter with remote control system. Then A for on, B for off, C for 15 minutes to turn on, off, and D for 2 hours to turn off automatically. So I'll press A now to turn it on. Can you see? The light is on. Then B to turn it off. Then the light is off. Then A again to turn it on. Can you see? The fan is on. The light is on. And inverter is on. Can you see? Like that. So if I press this one now, the inverter is going to turn off in 15 minutes. When I press this one, the inverter will turn off in 2 hours. Then turn it off. Well, there's a manner on and off here in case you lose your remote control. Can you see? That's manner on and off. So let's start the charging. Okay, there we go. Well, the power supply is low. Charging. Thanks for watching.